Hi, just a little quick video this morning. We put these posts up here, and we had to drill some holes in them that were fairly large, half-inch hole, to countersink the screws. So I'm going to show you how to fix those today so we don't see them. Okay, now this particular post was cut off again. It was a little too long when we put it in there, so it cut through the holes that we made for the screws. So I'm repairing those with dowel rods today. And right here are the holes that I need to fill. So I dry fit this first, make sure it's actually going to work. And it is. So I'm going to take that out, put some glue on it right here, and put it back up. I'm just going to stick it down in here and put some glue on it this way. It gets it coated good. And this goes into this hole right here. And I'll tap it in a little bit with a hammer. And this is what it looks like after you get the dowel rods in. And you just use a coping saw or a oscillating saw and cut those off flush. Sand them down a little bit, and that hides them for when you paint. And this is what's left when you get finished with that. Now, that's kind of hard to get to on these 6x6 posts. They're a little wide for this coping saw. So for the others, I will probably use an oscillating saw and cut those off flush with that. A little sandpaper on this one though, and it'll be fine.